bet you love it. Yeah? So I was thinking maybe you could go pick up your brother Gary from baseball practice and get some ice cream. Would you like that? Okay, great. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, buckle up. Sit down.
Give me your purse.
Stop!
Give me your
No!
purse.
Stop!
Give me your
You're
purse.
illegal! Stop!
Hey Justin, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Cool, I'm making you some toast before I have to go to work. Did you sleep alright last night?
Yeah, it was alright.
Here you go.
Do you have to go to work now?
Yeah, I'll be back for lunch though. So, do you know what Saturday is?
It's the anniversary.
I'm gonna be heading over to see Mom. Do you want to come with?
No, I can't.
Well, why don't you give it some thought? It's not for another 5 days. Alright, buddy. I'll see you later. Like I said, I'll be home for lunch. I love you.
Bye. It's been 15 years. Why would he want me to go now? He knows that I'm afraid of him outside. No. No, I can't go to the gravesite. That's outside. No, that's outside. I need to stay inside where it's safe. No. Mom would want me to stay inside where it's safe. Heather, is that you? Are you alone?
Yes, Justin, I just wanted to say hello. Is the door locked?
No, you can come in.
Hey, I heard you playing and I wanted to see what's up.
Please lock the door. I don't want anyone to come in here.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. Well, I won't stay long. I just wanted to say hey. What were you playing? It sounded really nice.
Thank you. It was something my mom taught me. Saturday's the day she died. Would you like me to keep playing it for you?
I would love that, yes.
I play it every day for Mom.
And I'm sure she's looking down at you right now, listening to you play and loving it. Well, I better head home. Thank you for playing for me. I really enjoyed it.
Hey Gary, how are you?
Oh, hey Dan, I'm good. I'm just about to head home for lunch. What are you up to?
I just finished my morning classes. I'm gonna go grab some food, so.
Oh, would you like to come over for lunch instead? We'd love to have you.
Sure, that sounds so much better than fast food.
Awesome, let me just throw this out and then we can head over.
Sounds good.
All right. Oh, so I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but my brother's autistic. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Catches some people off guard.
That's no problem. I actually have an uncle who's autistic, so I've seen it before.
Oh, okay. He also doesn't really take kindly to strangers. Don't take it personally either. But he hasn't left the house since Mom died. I mean, besides to go to high school, but since that he hasn't really left. So don't feel bothered if he doesn't really give you a warm welcome.
I understand. Hey Gary, do you hear that?
Oh yeah, that's Justin. Mom taught him how to play.
Yeah. That's amazing. He sounds really good.
Hey Justin, I'm home for lunch. This is our friend Dr. Larson from work. Please, Dan, come in and make yourself comfortable.
Sure, thank you.
Justin, can you please set the table? Thank you. Take your coat off and have a seat.
Yes, thank you. So what are we having for lunch today?
Well, I was thinking about having some turkey sandwiches. They're Justin's favorite. You love them, don't you, Justin?
Yes. That sounds delightful. So Justin, how long have you been playing piano?
Well, like I was saying earlier, Nancy taught him how to play when he was young. You know, I don't know if you knew this, but she taught private lessons, and Justin used to love to sit there and watch her. And one day he got up and he sat down at the piano and he started pecking away. And I wasn't there, but I heard that it was sort of making sense. So she started to teach him some things, and he picked it up really fast.
Wow, that's amazing. Justin, I'd love to hear you play sometime.
Maybe later, huh, Justin? Let's eat, shall we?
Sure.
Justin, that was amazing. Did you pick that up from just listening to us?
Yeah, I just really like the sound.
Aw, you want to be just like me, don't you?
Yeah, just like Mommy.
That was a fantastic meal, Gary. Thanks. You ready to roll out?
Justin, will you play for Dr. Larson before we leave?
That's okay. Maybe another time.
Sorry, Dan. He still must not be comfortable with you. I'll see you later, buddy. Remember, Susan's coming over later. Love you. Here, listen, he's playing.
Gary, I gotta tell you, that kid is talented. What did Nancy even teach him?
I'm not really sure, to be honest, but from what I was told, he really wasn't taught much. Just kind of picked it up from watching Nancy and her students.
Truly amazing, Gary. Your brother's a savant and you didn't even know it. Hey, we're having a music showcase on Saturday at the music building. You should get Justin to do it. The world needs to hear him play.
I would love that. That sounds like a great idea for him. He hasn't left the house since he graduated high school 4 years ago now. I think the only reason that he went out then was because our neighbor Heather walked with him. Those two really seem to share a bond. I think she helped him get over Mom's passing. But this sounds like a great opportunity for him to get out. He can't stay in his entire life. So I'll talk to him after work and I'll let you know.
Thank you, Gary. I promise you that he'll enjoy the entire experience. In fact, I know that he'll want to do it, so I'll pencil him in today.
Awesome. Well, I will get back to you as soon as I let him know.
Awesome.
Hey, buddy. How was your day?
Good. Same as usual, I guess.
Well, I have some great news. Dr. Larson, the man that came over for lunch.
I know who Dr. Larson is.
Right. Sorry. Anyway, he heard you play, and he really liked it. He wants you to come to play at his music showcase on Saturday. Would you like to do that?
He heard me play. How did he hear me play? I've never even played for him before. You know I don't like playing to strangers.
Well, we heard you from outside after we left. He was quite impressed. I think that's awesome coming from a music professor, don't you?
No, I don't like playing. I don't like playing for people I don't even know.
Well, the music showcase isn't until Saturday, so you have some time to think about it. I really.
Strangers aren't good for anybody.
Not even if they want to hear your music?
No.
Well, will you think about it for me?
Maybe. What's for dinner?
Susan's coming with a pizza. She should be here any minute, actually.
Did somebody order a pizza?
We sure did. Hi. You can go ahead and set the pizza down right there. Justin, will you get us some plates and napkins?
How was your day?
Well, we received some fantastic news, didn't we, Justin?
What was it?
I invited Dr. Larson, one of the music professors, to come over for lunch, and he heard Justin playing the piano, and he loved it. So he invited us to come and have Justin play at the music showcase on Saturday.
That is good news. Are you going to do it, Justin? Please tell me he's going to do it, Gary.
Well, I just told him about it, so he still has some time to think.
No, I can't do it. Strangers are gonna be there.
See what that has to do with anything.
You know what it has to do with. Just think about doing it for your brother, Justin.
Maybe.
Well, I don't know about you two, but I'm getting hungry and this pizza's getting cold. So let's dig in, shall we?
Nice transition, Susan. I think we shall. Another good pizza. Thanks, Susan.
Anything for my Gare Bear.
Well, I better clean all this up.
Here, let me help you.
No, that's okay, I got it.
Are you sure it was my pizza?
Yeah, my house, my dishes. Can't always help all the time.
So, I was thinking, and I would like to go with you on Saturday to visit your mom. Is that okay?
If you really want to, you don't feel obligated to. I can just go myself like I have been.
No, but I would really like to. Gary, what is that?
Susan, ever since Mom died, I didn't know how the rest of my life would turn out. I went into this dark, depressed state, and every day just seemed to blend into the next. But then one day, I met this woman who brightened my world and who separated those days. And now I have something to live for. And that's all I can see. There's a light shining on that woman. Susan, that's you.
What are you doing? Gary's just being silly.
No, Justin. This is for real. Susan, will you marry me?
No. No. How could you do that?
I don't know what to say, Gary.
No, you can't do that.
Justin, calm down. This is the happiest I've been since Mom died. At some point, we need to learn to move on. I think this is the right time.
No, I won't let you. I won't let you.
Justin, wait, Justin, come back.
Let him go, Gary.
No, he hasn't been the same since Mom died. I can't bring anyone over here without him getting upset, even if he knows I work with them. It's been 15 years, for crying out loud. I think it's time he moved on. He can't live like this forever. I won't let him.
I know it's been 15 years, but that was a very traumatic experience for Justin. You just gotta give him a little more time and be patient with him.
Patient? What do you think I've been for the last 15 years? I can't even mention anything to him about this without him getting upset. I think I've been patient long enough.
Look, Maybe the showcase on Saturday was a blessing in disguise. You can't push him. He'll just keep resisting you. You gotta give him a little more time. I know you've been patient. I've seen it. But give it a few more days and everything will work out.
I hope you're right.
Now, I love you very much, Gary, but I don't think I can go through with this marriage. I'm not comfortable with it, knowing that Justin's not okay with it.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I should have talked to him beforehand. I just didn't expect him to make such a big deal out of this. I'm sorry to put you through this situation.
It's okay. I think you should go upstairs and you should talk to him. I'll clean the rest of the kitchen up.
Thank you. Wish me luck.
Just remember, patience.
Why would he do that? I can't let him do that. No, why would he leave me for her?
Justin, can I come in?
Go away!
Justin, please. I just want to talk.
She's not Mom. Why would you leave me for her?
I'm coming in now.
Justin, I'm sorry I did that to you just now without discussing it with you, but it felt right. You don't like Susan, do you? No! She's different. She takes you away from me. No, Justin, look, I know this is all hard on you right now, but I need you to be strong. For me, and for Mom. I'll think about it. You can leave now. Look, Justin, Mom loved us more than we'll ever know. But I can guarantee you that it hurts her right now to see you like this. You need to forget about that pain and move on. You need to find something to replace that hurt in your heart. And that's what Susan does for me. She replaces that. And that's why I want to marry her. Good night, Justin. Mommy. Oh, Mom. Alright, good morning, Justin. Are you hungry?
Not really.
Did you sleep alright?
No.
Look, buddy, I'm sorry about last night. I know that was probably a big shock for you, and I just wanted to apologize for not talking to you about it. But you know what? I'm running late right now, so I have to go to work. I'll be back for lunch, and if you want to, we can talk about it later. Alright? I love you, buddy.
Why would he do that to me? Why? You have me. Aren't I good enough for you? Mom, I don't know. I don't know what to do. They want me to leave, but I can't. You know I can't. There are strangers out there. Gary wants to leave me to be with Susan. It doesn't make any sense. Why? Why?
Hey, Justin, it's me. Can I come in?
Sure. It's unlocked.
Justin? Don't worry, the door's closed.
I'm sorry. I'm just off. I'm thrown off.
Did I upset you? Is everything all right?
They want me to leave.
Who?
Gary and the teacher.
Teacher? You never told me you have a teacher.
I don't. It's someone from where Gary works. He heard me playing. Wants me to perform on Saturday.
What'd they say about your playing?
He was impressed.
That's great.
No, he wants me to perform at his performance.
As in the concert hall? Oh, well, you told him you can't leave, right?
Gary wants me to think it over.
So he still wants you to go?
I told him I'd think about it.
So that's what's wrong, going to perform?
It's not that.
What is it, Justin? You can trust me.
He asked Susan to marry him.
He did?
Yeah, just like that. It's on the piano.
Wow, it's an amazing ring. Why is it over here?
I put it there this morning after he left.
You took it from him?
I just don't understand why he would do that. What was he thinking? Why would he want to leave me for Susan?
You really hate Susan, don't you?
I don't hate her. It's just Gary won't pay attention to me if he marries Susan.
I don't think that'll happen. Gary loves you too much.
Oh, so you're on his side now?
No, I didn't say that.
That's what it sounds like.
Justin, I'm not on anyone's side. I just think maybe you should give Susan a chance to be in your life.
Well, it's just not right.
Hey, everything's gonna be all right, okay? You know you can always call me. You still have my number, right?
Yeah, it's in my room.
Good. All right. Well, I gotta get going. I can't come by tomorrow, but I'll see you about Thursday. All right?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So, did you do anything today?
Played.
Good.
Heather stopped by. We talked for a bit.
Oh, that was really nice of her. How's she doing?
Okay.
Look, Justin, about last night.
I don't want to talk about it. The ring's on the piano.
I see. So, you don't want to talk about it?
No. Not now.
All right. Well, I have to go. I'll be back for dinner. Justin! Damn it, Mom. Why did you have to leave us?
Hey, Gary.
Oh, hey there, Dan.
Hey, how are you today?
Well, I've been better.
It's one of those days, huh?
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Hey, has Justin said anything about playing on Saturday?
I don't know. He said he'd think about it. I don't know if he will listen though.
Okay, well, I'll keep him on the program just in case. Okay? I have to teach a class to see you around here.
Hey, Dan?
Yeah?
Never mind.
You're a good man. See you.
Thanks.
Hey, buddy. Can you come in here for a minute?
Yeah.
Look, I know you might not be ready to talk yet, but there's a few things that I think we need to discuss. First of all, Susan's coming over tomorrow. She wants to talk with you.
When?
She'll come in the morning after I leave for work, but she's going to stay for the whole day. She has to talk to you when I'm not here. I know you guys haven't been together for, a long time by yourselves, but she specifically wants to talk to you.
Yeah, she's trying to steal you from me, isn't she?
Of course not, Justin. I'll always be here for you. Why would I ever leave?
Yeah, you can never leave me.
I'm not going to leave you.
Then why do you want to marry her?
Because I love her, Justin.
Yeah, you don't love me?
What? How could you think that?
I don't know. That's just what I think is happening. I just can't handle it if you left me like Mom.
That's not what's happening at all. Mom, it wasn't even her fault. She would never leave us like that. You know that.
This is what I think is happening.
Mom was attacked, Justin. You know that. You were there. How is that by any means her fault? Mom loved us more than anything in this world and would never willingly leave us here on our own.
So, you're not marrying Susan to get away from me?
No, Justin, not by any means. Yes, I love Susan more than anything in the world. She makes me happy. She brightens my day. She's a light for me. But so are you. I would never want to give that up.
Light.
Yes, Justin, a light. Someone who is there for me and supports me in every way, even when all I can see is darkness. She makes things better. She loves me.
So, this isn't the only light.
No, Justin, that's not the only light. People light up our world in ways lights like that can't. Mom was one of those lights, and now Susan is one of those lights. For me. And I hope she can be for you too.
Okay.
So, will you just give her a chance? For me?
Yeah, I guess.
Thank you, buddy. It really means a lot to me. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a night. So don't stay up too late, okay?
Okay. Night.
I love you.
Thank you, Mom. For a light I never saw.
It's cold out there. Is there somewhere I can put this? How are you, Justin?
Okay.
Are you sure? Let's sit on the couch. I want to talk with you. Are you cold?
No, just... I don't know.
Let me guess. Uncomfortable? It's okay. I understand. You don't need to say it. I know you aren't comfortable with strangers, and I am a stranger. But did you know that I was once like that? Yeah, when I was little and growing up, I didn't have many friends, and I didn't really like to be around other people. But when I went to college, that's where I met some of my best friends, and they taught me about myself and about the world. And yeah, there are scary things out there, but did you also know that there are things out there worth experiencing? All I'm trying to say is that I would like to know more about you, and I hope you would like to know more about me. And I know over the past few years we've learned a little bit about each other, but I would really like to know more about you, Justin.
Do you have a light?
A light?
My mom gave this to me when I was young. She said that there's always a light in the darkness. She said it will always be there.
We all have lights, Justin, just different kinds. I have my friends and your brother, and they all keep me smiling and keep pushing me to be the best person I can be.
I think I understand a little bit better. My main light is the piano.
Really means that much to you, doesn't it?
Mom showed me how to play, and I could play whatever came to me. She would hum something or some words, and I could just put it to the piano.
Can you play something for me?
You want me to play something for you?
I would love to. All this time, and I still haven't heard you play. That's so beautiful. That's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard.
Heather thinks so too.
She lives next door, right?
Yeah, she normally stops by around this time, but she had something else to do.
How long have you known her?
Forever. We're the same age.
See, she's a light for you too. She sounds like someone who's very important to you, and she's been here for your whole life.
Yeah. She is a light.
See, that's something we have in common. We both have people in our lives to act as lights. And we both have your brother as a light. He gets mad at you sometimes, doesn't he?
Sometimes.
Yeah, he gets mad at me too once in a while. It's just because he's having such a hard time with this. It's been just as hard for him as it's been for you. And he just has to hide it so that way he can stay a light for you. And sometimes he just needs to let it out.
Susan?
Yeah?
Do you want to marry my brother?
Yeah, I would love to marry your brother, but I don't want to do it without you being okay with it first.
So then you want to take him away from me then?
I never said that.
If you did marry him, what will happen to me?
I don't think anything would change. I would just move in here with you and your brother, but nothing major would change.
Then this is yours.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I put it here yesterday after I took it.
No, I mean, are you sure with the decision? Are you okay with me marrying your brother and being around more?
I don't know.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
I just want you to be 100% sure when you make a decision. So, when you're okay with it, that's when you can hand it to me, okay?
Okay.
Alright then. Well, should we be making lunch soon?
Can I play one more song first?
Don't let me stop you. Go on right ahead.
Hey guys, I'm back!
Hi Gary, we missed you. Oh my gosh, that's a large pizza.
Yes! I present to you the most ridiculously sized pizza in the world.
Yes!
Why such a large pizza?
Yeah, me and Justin were talking the other day how we haven't had one of these monsters in a while, and I thought, I like pizza.
There's no way we're gonna finish that.
Leftovers.
Good morning, Justin.
Morning.
So, I was talking to Dr. Larson, and he wants to know if you've made a decision about the concert yet. It's okay if you haven't, but he'd like to know as soon as possible. Do you have any thoughts? Have you made a decision? Look, Justin, you can't stay inside forever.
Why not?
Because it's not healthy for you. It's not good for you.
The outside isn't healthy.
Justin, I go outside every day. I go out that door, I come back in. There's nothing to be afraid of.
You didn't leave the house either for a week after Mom died.
That's because I was taking care of you, because you had no one else. You don't think I wasn't affected by that? I cried every night. I was broken. You don't think I didn't mourn? We just need to move on. Sometimes people leave, and we need to let them go. Mom would hate to see you like this. Look, I'm gonna be late. I need to go. I'll see you later.
Hey, is everything all right? You're always playing the piano when I come by. What's wrong? You can tell me. I'm here.
Gary yelled at me before he left.
Why did he do that?
I made him mad. He tells me that he wants me to go outside more, but I know that sometimes when he goes outside, he gets scared too.
And what do you think of me being outside?
Well, you don't talk about being afraid when you're outside. You just talk about what makes you happy or excited.
Really, all it comes down to is we see different things when we're outside. We see people we know and people we don't, as well as meeting some new people. Hey, what's wrong?
I can't handle this.
Handle what?
The pressure, the marriage, the concert, the outside world. All these people say that it's bad, but I think they're bad. I just can't handle this.
Sometimes we go through a lot of things all at once, but we just need a way to get away from it all. Let it out.
How do I let it out?
I mean, do you have like a way to get away from the world? Something?
I don't know.
Like something that you can escape reality with? That's right, you play the piano. And how do you feel when you play?
I feel good. Much better than before I play.
That's good. Then that's how you let out your stress.
Hey Justin, I'm back for lunch. Oh, hi Heather. I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
That's good to hear. Hey, I don't mean to be rude or anything, but I'd kind of like to talk to Justin in private. Do you mind? Is that all right?
Sure. Just remember what I said, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for upsetting you so much. These past few days have been the most hectic they've ever been for you. Things are coming at you left and right, and I'm to blame for most of it. I even yelled at you this morning, and then I stormed out, and I felt terrible about it ever since. Look, Justin, it wasn't right of me to say those things to you, but you're my brother, and I'll always love you. I just want what's best for you. Maybe I don't know what that is.
It's my fault too.
No, it's all mine. The concert, the proposal, all this anger, it's all me. I don't understand things sometimes as easily sometimes. I don't think before I speak or before I do anything. Maybe that's because I'm hard-headed. I don't know. I get a little apprehensive, and that's my fault. So I'm going to do a better job of making sure that I listen to you. As long as you can hear me out too. Is that all right?
Okay.
All right then. So, lunch?
Leftovers.
Thought you might say that.
Hey, Justin. Hey, Gary.
Hi, Susan. Okay, Justin, we won't be long. We'll be back before lunch. Okay.
Bye, Justin. I know you really wanted him to go out and play, but I'm really happy that you decided to let him make up his own mind about this. Are you doing okay with that?
I don't have much of a choice anymore, do I? I don't know what to do anymore. Is he gonna spend the rest of his life in that damn living room? What if I die before him?
Don't say that, Gary. We'll all figure out something that'll work for Justin. We can't force him to do anything that he doesn't want to do. And I guess right now was not the time for him to take that big of a step.
Yeah, I know. I've watched and I've waited for the last 15 years for something to happen and for him to break out of his shell. I mean, how long can he go down this path before there's no turning back? I worry for him.
I know you do, and that's one of the reasons why I love you so much. You're one of the most patient, most caring people that I've ever met in my life. But there will be other opportunities. I think right now he needs a little more time getting his footing.
Yeah, we'll see. I was so hopeful this time and a little scared.
I know you don't want to see him get hurt.
I mean, it's not even just that. This may sound a little selfish, but what the hell am I gonna do with myself if he goes out and finds his own way? I've spent the last 15 years of my life devoted to him. I'm just a little scared of letting him go.
I just assumed you'd fill that void with me. If you care about me the way you say you do.
And of course you do. But I think you know what I mean. It's just a little scary either way.
It's getting a little late. Let's go grab some lunch.
Justin, you play so beautifully. I don't think I've ever seen anyone pick up playing so quickly. You're my little Mozart.
No, I'm not. He had silly hair.
He did have funny hair, but he was a magnificent musician.
Does that mean he liked to play?
It does, and he must have liked to play a lot. Do you like playing?
Yes, especially with you, Mommy.
Oh, being able to play so beautiful is a real gift.
I thought gifts were for Christmas and birthdays.
Those are the gifts you get from people, but then there are also natural gifts that are given to people, like the ability to sing or paint or play music. Your natural gift that you were given is the ability to play music.
Do I get to keep it forever?
If you practice, it'll be yours forever. Wouldn't it be amazing to be able to share it with the world like Mozart or Beethoven did?
How can I share it if I can't even see it?
You share it by playing like you do for me. Wouldn't it be wonderful to share it with the world?
Yeah, and then they'll all come to see me.
You're so silly. Let's go and get dinner.
Yeah.
Gary, I think I want to play in the show tomorrow.
Are you sure? I mean, that's great. Why? What made you change your mind?
I just think it's time. I want to do it for Mom. She said that music is supposed to be shared, and I don't want to keep this to myself forever.
Well, that's phenomenal. Isn't this phenomenal, Susan? I'm gonna have to go call Dr. Larson to make sure that he still has a spot for you and everything. But this is awesome. And you're absolutely positive this is what you want to do?
Yeah, it's what I want.
Don't scare him off.
I'm just making sure this is really what he wants. I'm gonna go call Dan right now.
I'm so excited to hear you play, and I'm sure so many other people are as well. Are you nervous?
A little bit. I'm kind of scared too. Do you think that a lot of people will be there?
Oh, sweetie, your brother and I will be there.
Do you think Heather will be there?
I'm sure Heather would love to come, but we'll have to give her a call, won't we?
Yeah, we should do that like now.
Well, guys, we're all set and ready to go. Dr. Larson said he kept a spot open for you because he knew you would change your mind, and he said he's so excited to hear you play.
Can we see if Heather can come? I'd like if she could be there.
Well, of course. It's a little short notice, though.
Gary, just call her. I'm sure she would be willing to do anything for Justin.
Can I come to Mom's grave with you tomorrow too?
Yes. It would mean a lot to me. And to Mom, too. Well, Tiger, this is it. Are you ready?
You said Heather will be there too, right?
Yeah. She said she'd be there as soon as she can. We better get going, though. We got a lot to do today.
Mom, there's a monster! There's a monster! There's a monster! Help mommy! Mom! There's a monster! There's a monster!
Justin, shh. I'm here. What's the matter?
Something in the closet, it moved!
What?
Something in the closet!
No, see, sweetheart, there's no monsters in here. You know what, Justin? What are monsters afraid of?
Pizza!
Pizza? Why would a monster be afraid of pizza?
Because if I eat pizza, I'll stay up all night long, and then no monster will dare to go after me.
Nice try. There's no way I'm giving you pizza this late at night. You know what monsters are really afraid of?
What?
That.
What?
Light. They don't like light. Monsters like to stay in the dark. They don't like the light.
But by the time I get up to switch the light on, they'll already get me.
No, you know what you need? You need your own light. Here, sweetheart, use this.
Ah, cool.
So what you're going to do with this, Justin, is anytime you think, you see, or hear a monster, you're going to put this on and you're going to point it in the direction and it's going to make that monster disappear.
Really?
Really, sweetheart? Okay? All right, now come on. Time for you to get back to sleep. It's late.
Okay.
Okay?
Love you.
I love you, sweetheart.
Good night.
Good night, baby. Sweet dreams. I'll see you in the morning when the sun comes up.
See you in the morning. Hey, Mom?
Yeah, sweetheart?
Can I still have some pizza?
Nice try. It's late. You get to sleep, okay?
Okay.
All right, I love you. Good night.
See you.
See you in the morning when the sun comes up.
Yep.
Come on, guys. It's a beautiful day. I have a really good feeling about this, don't you? Justin, it'll be okay. Susan and I will be with you the whole time. And if it's too much for you...
Just hurry up before you
I'll-
chicken out.
Sure, whatever you want, pal.
As many of you all know, we like to keep our stage open to guest performers as often as possible. We've had the awesome opportunity to have great musicians from all over the world play here on this very fine stage that we have right now. Tonight we have a very special guest from right in our own community. I had the opportunity to hear him play last week and I was just instantly moved by his passion and just beautiful music making. He will be performing a lovely piece of his own composition called A Mother's Light. Please welcome me and joining to the stage, Justin Holden.
Hi, Mom. I'm sorry that I haven't been here to see you before. I guess I was kind of scared of a lot of things. I just miss you so much, but I kept playing piano. I gotten pretty good, but I guess you already know that. I'm gonna play today, just like you said. I'm gonna share my gift with others. I wish you could be here with me. Everything would be easier if you were here. I know that people took you away from us, but it's been so difficult without you. I keep practicing though, so my gift will never go away. It helps me to remember you too. I love you, Mom. Thank you for everything you've ever shown me.